This video will show you how to demo Notebook 3D Tools, one of the many exciting new features in Notebook 2014. So if you want to demo Notebook 3D Tools to a customer, they may already be familiar with it since it does come as a standard part of the Smart Document camera. But if they don't know, you'll want to go into your gallery, either ahead of time or in front of the customer. And I find the easiest way to search for 3D content within the gallery is just to type in 3D, then search. Then you can see down here in my results, 3D objects, 34 of them came up in my search. So I expand that, and you can see these are all the 3D objects that I have saved on my computer. And I believe there's 11 3D objects that are a standard part of the notebook install. So I'm going to grab the crab, but you can grab any of these 3D objects and just drag and drop them onto the notebook page. Then I like to show how you can grab the handle in the middle with either your finger or the mouse to rotate the object in 3 dimensions all at once. Then I like to show how you can rotate just along a single axis at a time. And then I also like to show how you can add labels, since I think this is a really powerful tool. If you right-click on the part of the 3D object where you want to add a label, the menu will come up and you'll see that Add Label is one of the options. So that automatically puts a label on that spot, and then I can either use text or a picture, or I can use ink and label that. So here I'm going to write claw, and then I'm going to drag that into the label. Now you can see that that label is attached to that particular part of that 3D object no matter where I move it. And even when I rotate the crab in 3D, you can see it's still attached to that same spot. And when that point where I attached it is actually not in view, you can see it's actually a dashed line instead. In addition, a teacher could use this as kind of a hide and reveal the answer. If they click on the spot where the label is attached to the 3D object, that collapses the label, and then they could click to reveal the answer. To delete a label, just simply click the X in the upper right-hand corner. Another great resource for 3D objects is our Smart Exchange. So if you visit exchange.smarttech.com. This is the home page, and if you click on File Type here, there's a whole category just called 3D Content. So if I click on that, you can see it brings up 139 results. So I have a number of existing objects that I can just download for free from the Smart Exchange in case the 11 that come as kind of pre-installed with Notebook aren't what you're looking for your demo. And that is Notebook 3D Tools.